Welcome back to my channel. I showed you this slime in the last video. This is mint slime. It actually, like in the last video, said it looks like real ice cream. That's what I called it. Real ice cream. So, today I'm going to show you how I made it. Not actually really gonna make it. Well, actually, I am, so you know another version that it looks like. So I'm gonna get the materials. Okay, I got this. There we go. Okay, let me pick it up. Done. Okay, and this one is
music is just music, and it's not a video.
okay, guys. I'll show you what you need. It's very simple. Grab a little container that you can use. Okay. It doesn't really matter how much paint you, glue. So, actually, let me tell you the materials you need. You need Elmer's glue, Stat Flow, and shaving cream. So first, guys, I'm just gonna let you see.
Why do you need the TV on?
Let me wipe this off. 1 second. There, you can see now, okay? Okay, first, I put it Elmer's glue. I'm gonna put some Elmer's glue in. There. Okay. Oh, got some on my yarn. Next, we're going to be putting some Stat Flow. So I'm just doing this. I'm going to pour through cups. There. Okay. And then you need to put, of course, shaving cream. Oh, it's not even opened yet. Okay, so now take the spoon out real quick. So then, oh, gotta shake it. There we go. Okay, wipe it off. Okay, then get a spoon or something. I'm actually gonna use this one, the wooden one now.
We don't want to hear it.
There we go. Wipe it off. And now we're gonna mix, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put it to a place where you can see. There.
Do I have to go call Mom?
Just keep mixing. Mix. Okay, it's already turning into slime. I think we need a bit more shaving cream. There. Keep mixing. Mix. Okay, just keep mixing. And then now, I started right at this point. It's still a little messy, but I gotta mix it. I think it actually helps when you get it out. Okay, get it out like this. It actually looks like sunscreen. I have no clue why. This is a lot. And you also have to start playing with it, like doing this. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Yeah. Okay. Oh! Don't get in the slime. Okay, there. This is actually too messy, so I'm gonna wipe the spoon off.
Leave the TV off. You don't need the TV. That's why you have that plug-in. Do I have to go and turn on?
Okay.
Then you said you were going to bring that up for music, and that's what you're supposed to be doing.
Just mix, mix, mix.
I was gonna
Mix.
string this to the TV. My string, so you know what it's on.
I don't care.
So you know what I'm doing. I can't.
I can see you on the thing.
There we go.
I said no TV, love.
And of course, does mint ice cream
That's why you brought up
look
the computer.
white like this?
For you.
No, we need to add some. Let me
I appreciate
finish
that you want to do that. It's okay.
mixing all this in.
I just say this is a video, but the picture stays still, like it says on it. I made this video.
You did? Cool. Why, that's awesome. You made it?
And I made that piano right now, but I didn't make that picture.
Oh,
And the guy in the background.
Okay, this is actually taking a lot longer than I thought it would.
good job.
And
Try my
again,
best on that.
we are trying
Because
to
I
make
want-
this one.
I want
This
my
one
biggest
was actually pretty hard to
enjoy
make.
the music.
So this one is actually
And-
gonna be
and-
pretty
and
hard.
animated backgrounds like
It's a lot, so
this guy was turning around and ultimate music.
wipe it off.
His channel name's called the_A. It's not learned on EGG. It's EG. And yeah, I don't know how to do it. Animated things like that. It's not really animated. It's like recorded in the game. I don't know how. I think he has with Blake. I think
Okay.
he was one of the developers. Because
Okay,
it
guys.
looked like he was in Spectate. You know, where a player can go through things. Like in Minecraft.
Oh, I'm not showing the screen, sorry. Okay. I think I'm actually gonna use all this.
You don't know how to get in there. You're not supposed to be on the video.
Yeah. Okay. Just fold it like this. If it gets too dark, and if you're making slime like this right now, while you're playing the video, if it gets too dark, just add some shaving cream. Not a lot. If it's super dark, you can add a lot if you want. I would say not to add a lot, but you can if you want. So,
Hey, Grandma.
Yeah.
Do you want to go out for dinner?
Ooh. Do I what?
Do you want to go out for dinner? You know, like if we go out for dinner, all of us.
I don't know.
Do you want to go? What?
Who asked? Who's asking?
Me.
Oh,
And Tori wants us to ask, I think.
my phone. Where did I leave it?
okay. Dude, I gotta keep mixing. This is not how the other one was working. Like, it was a lot smoother. Oh! My God! What happened? No, you see nothing. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, you saw nothing. Okay. Okay, guys. If you know my brother, that was who I accidentally turned the camera to. Not telling you his name, but that's my brother. Not saying anything else about him. Just he's my brother. All I'm saying. Okay? He's my brother. Not gonna tell you his name, not gonna tell you what his favorite color is, but he's my brother. That's all of the information I am telling you. Because I can't tell information on my name. So, yeah. He's just my brother. There we go. This is exactly how it was going now. Okay. And guys, thanks for watching. This is how you make them in slime. Look still with what, color. So I'm gonna put some more color in. Just add it in like this. Fold it over, guys. And there you have it. There we go. Okay. There you have it. You have good slime. Oh, I still have to mix it in. Okay. Just one thing I can say is there are some funny tricks you could use with this slime. If you're making it, you could do pranks with it. You can do so many funny pranks. I mean, if you think about it, it would be so funny. But that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me show you what they look like. Here's the one I just made. Doesn't really look like this one, guys. But I tried my best, guys. Okay, that one was really hard to make. And I also mixed another slime in with this. So I think that's why it didn't really come out like this nice minty green color. But thanks for watching. Comment if you think I did the slime better or if this slime was better. And maybe like and sub while you're at it. Thanks, guys.